You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 110. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 17 minus 7 equals 10. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 10 times 6 equals 60. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 60 plus 2 equals 62. 62 plus 56 equals 118. 118 minus 8 equals 110. And so the final result is 110.